tentang macam-macam panggilan sayang dalam bahasa Inggris biar kalian makin romantis sama pasangan kalian. Oke, let's check this out. The first is darling. Contoh kalimatnya, oh my god, you look so pretty, my darling. The second is sweetie. Oh my sweetie, you look so beautiful. The third is sweetheart. Oh my sweetheart, can you help me? The fourth is dear. Nothing is not for you, dear. The fifth is baby. Okay, my baby, wait for a minute, I will take it for you. Oke guys, jangan lupa like, share, subscribe, and comment di bawah ini. Jangan lupa komen juga ya panggilan favorit kalian, panggilan sayang favorit kalian ke pasangan kalian. See you!